To question number 1. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. First part, 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Let the number of boys be x and number of girls be y. Total there are 10 students, so x plus y is equal to 10 is the first equation. It is given in the question that the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So, y, that is the number of girls, is equal to x plus 4. We have two equations. You will write the solutions for them and plot the graph. The point of intersection here is 3, 7. That means x is 3 and y is 7. X was the number of boys, so number of boys is 3 and number of girls is 7. Second part is the same type of question. Question number 2 is on comparing the ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pair of equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. Now, if you look at the first part, a1 is 5, a2 is 7, b1 is minus 4, b2 is 6, c1 is 8 and c2 is minus 9. So, in the first part, a1 upon a2 is 5 upon 7, b1 upon b2 is minus 4 upon 6. Since these two are not equal, the lines will be intersecting. In the second part, a1 upon a2 is 9 upon 18, 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 is 3 upon 6, 1 by 2 and 12 upon 24 is also 1 by 2. Since all three are equal, that means the lines are overlapping. In the third part, a1 upon a2 is 6 upon 2, b1 upon b2 is b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 1, so it is minus 3 and c1 upon c2 is 10 upon 9. So a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 are equal but not equal to c1 upon c2, so the lines will be parallel. Question number 3, again comparing the ratios, we have to find out whether the equations are consistent or inconsistent. Equations which have a solution, 1 or infinite, are called consistent. Only if they don't have a solution, they are called inconsistent. In the first part, a1 upon a2 is 3 by 2, b1 upon b2 is 2 upon minus 3. They are not equal. That means they have a solution. If they have a solution, then the equations are called consistent. In the second part, you can see the lines are parallel because of the condition, and if they are parallel, they don't have a common solution, so they are inconsistent. In the third part, again, the lines are intersecting, so they have a solution, so the equations are consistent. And in the fourth part, since the lines are overlapping, all three ratios are equal. The lines are overlapping, that means they have infinite solution. And if the equation has infinite solution, that means the equations are called consistent. Similarly, in the fifth part, you can see all three are equal. That means again infinite solution, so the equations are consistent. In question number 4, we have to check again the same. It is same as question number 3. The only difference is if the equations are consistent, then you have to make the graph. Making the graph is again same. Question number 5, sorry. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36. Find the dimensions of the garden. Half the perimeter. Half the perimeter means the perimeter is half of the perimeter is given. The formula for perimeter is 2l plus b. Half of the perimeter means half into 2l plus b. So 2 will get cancelled. So x plus y is equal to 36. I'll repeat. Half of the perimeter is 36. The formula for perimeter is 2l plus b. So half of that will be l plus b. If l is x and b is y, x plus y is 36. And it is given that the length is 4 more than the width. So x is equal to y plus 4. You can solve this, you can draw the graph. The point of intersection will be 20, 16. So the length is 20 and the breadth is 16.